Christmas.
I just want 10 minutes.
Sissy, it's Christmas. Jake, go tell her it's Christmas.
Look at your hair.
Oh, Lord. I want to use this someday against your boyfriend.
Put your shorts on.
Say, Sissy, let's go see what Santa got us. Hold on. Go slow. Daddy wants to get you on camera. Okay. Come see what Santa got you.
Look, Jake. What is that?
What is it? Sissy.
Look at this. It came with Spider-Man stuff. Is it mine? It's yours. Sissy. Look what Nono got for Christmas.
Look what Santa brought Nono.
What'd you get?
So that way you can be a hairstylist like your mama. Yeah. Did you know Santa brought you that?
Yeah. That's cool, Chicky. Did you see your Spider-Man? Goodbye. Spider-Man stuff. Your Spider-Man cool.
Did y'all see what Santa brought Mama?
What's gonna bring Mama?
You didn't see?
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Go, guys.